This is the previous problem. We have stopped here. This is the previous problem. Completed, please give me yes. We can go over that. Same one problem. I will give one problem for it. Same one problem. I will give one problem for it. This one over. Please give me yes. This one over or not? Please give me yes. Yes from Aishwarya, very good. Now see same model and the one. Same model. 1 by 5 into 10 plus 1 by 10 into 15 plus 1 by 15 into 20 plus so on infinity is equal to dash. 1 by 5 into 10 plus 1 by 10 into 15 plus 1 by 15 into 20 plus so on infinity is equal to dash. Plus so on infinity is equal to dash. 1 by 25. 1 by 25 is the right answer from Sai Nitish. Very good answer from Sai Nitish. 1 by 25 is the right answer from Sai Nitish. What about others? 1 by 25 from Aishwarya, very good answer. Same order. What is the formula? 1 by first term is 5. Difference 10 minus 5, 5. So the answer is 1 by 25. The answer is 1 by 25. First term is 5, difference is 5. So the answer is 1 by 25. Same model last one in this paper. Same model last one. 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4. So on infinity is equal to dash. Answer Yashwant, answer 1. Very good answer from Yashwant. 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus so on infinity is equal to dash. 1 is the right answer from Scientish and Aishwarya. Yashwant, very good answers, very good answers. So it becomes 1 by, first term is 1, 2 minus 1, 1 by 1 into 1, 1 by 1, nothing but 1 is the answer. 1 by 1, the answer is 1 is the answer. 1 is the answer. Very good answers. Next one. Next new model. See some note. P plus double P plus triple P plus so on up to n terms. Up to n terms is equal to P plus double P plus triple P plus so on up to n terms. Finish with after okay, right? And the next one by next see a node P plus double P plus triple P plus so on up to n terms is equal to the formula is 10p by 81 10p by 81 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus p into n by 9. This is very important formula. You have to by heart, compulsory by heart. It is there in 10th class. 10th class, very important one. It is there in 10th class only. The formula, very important. So P plus double P plus triple P and so on n terms up to n terms is equal to the formula is 10P by 81. 10P by 81 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus Pn by 9. Minus Pn by 9 is the formula. Minus Pn by 9 is the formula. So now we can see one problem on this one. One problem on this one. 3 plus double 3 plus triple 3 plus so on n terms is equal dash. The problem is 3 plus double 3 plus triple 3 plus so on n terms is equal dash. So on n terms is equal to dash. So on n terms is equal to dash. 3 plus double 3 plus triple 3 plus so on n terms is equal to dash. N terms is equal to dash. So just the meaning of applying this here only. P means 3. P means 3. N means n only. Remaining are as is same. Remaining are as is same only. Remaining are as is same. Now see here. I am marking a cheat from the See, I'm applying here 10 into P means 3 by 81 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus P means 3 into n by 9. We can cancel 3 ones, 3 27s. So the value becomes 10 by 27 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 3 ones, 3 3s minus n by 3. This is the answer. The answer is 10 by 27 into 10 by 27 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus n by 3 is the answer. Minus n by 3 is the answer. This is the answer. I am giving another one for you. Write on this one. I will do another one for you. Six plus double 6 plus triple 6 plus so on n terms. Six plus double 6 plus triple 6 so on n terms is equal dash. So actually to tell the answer is very difficult for you in the chart box. Okay, I don't work. So because write on this complete answer is a big task for you. It's a big task for you. 6 plus double 6 plus triple 6 plus so on n terms is equal dash. I'm writing here. So 10 into P means 6 by 81 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 6n by 9. 3 2s, 3 27s. So the value becomes 20 by 27 into 10 to the power of n minus 1. 3 2s, 3 3s minus 2n by 3. This is the answer. This is the answer. The answer is 20 by 27. 20 by 27 into 10 to the power of n. Very good. Aishwarya had tried. Very good answer. 20 by 27 into 10 to the power of n minus 1 minus 2n. Very good answer from Aishwarya. This is the method to do. Okay. Now, in this one, some error. This is very important. This is very important. This is in 10th class 8 marks problem. In 10th class, this is a 8 marks problem. Already you have done in your 10 classes. 8 is a good problem. I'm doing another model in this one. In this one, see. Zero point P plus 0.PP plus 0.PPP plus so on n terms. So on n terms is equal to 0.P plus 0.PP plus 0.PP plus so on n terms is equal to. The answer is 5n by 9 5n by 9 minus 5 by 81 into 5 by 81 into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus 1 by n. This is the formula. Write down this formula. The formula is 0.p plus 0.p plus 0.2p and so on in terms is equal to. The formula is 5n by 9 5n by 9 minus 5 by 81 5 by 81 into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus 1 by n is the formula. Write down this one. You can go one problem this one. See, sorry, not 5. This is in place of this one, you can take P. See, sorry, I will in the 5. In place of 5, we take P, not 5. Pn by 9. Sorry, Pn by 9. P by 81. See, all of you please check. I have given the formula as it is not 5. This is P. Pn by 9 minus P by 81 into so on. So I am doing one problem. You can get that answer. 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.325 plus so on n terms is equal dash. So 0.5 plus 0.55 plus 0.25 plus so on n terms is equal to dash. So this is in the form of this form. This form P means 5. P means 5. Write down this one. So this is equal to P means 5n by 9. 5n by 9 minus 5 by 81 into 1 minus 1 by 10 to the power of minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. That is the answer. This is the answer. 5n by 9 minus 5n by 9 minus 5 by 81 into 1 minus 10 to the power of minus 1 by 10 to the power of minus 1 by n is the answer. That is the answer. Okay, now we can go to the next new model. Please give me yes after completion. Please give me yes after the next last one, that is harmonic progression. Yes, from Aishwarya. Divya Reddy, very good, all of you. Right. Now, last one, this one, harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. HP. Example, harmonic progression. Harmonic progression. So the inverse of AP we can call it as HP. So the inverse of AP is the inverse unte the terms we can call it as HP. Suppose in example 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma so on are in AP. Are in AP. These sums and terms and AP lo ikkada 4 minus 3 common difference 1, 5 minus 4 common difference 1, 6 minus 5 common difference 1. So common difference ante same undi kabatti this series is in AP. This series is in AP. So 3, 4, 5, 6 so are in AP lo. Therefore reversing inverse means 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 5, comma 1 by 6, so on, are in nothing but HP. We have to write HP only. Are in HP. Are in HP. You can take another example also. Another example. 5 comma 8 comma 11 comma 14, so on, are in AP. Are in AP. So 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 11, 3. So every time the common difference is 3, therefore the series is in AP. The series is in AP. 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on are in AP. Automatically the inverse means 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 11, 1 by 14, so on, are in HP. Are in HP. Therefore, what is the formula? Therefore, HP is equal to 1 by A. This is the formula. Therefore, HP is equal to harmonic progression is equal to 1 by AP. Whenever you can find out the AP, reverse, we can call it as HP. Write on this one. As is right on the top. Write on the give me S. S from the S. Sign yes, very good. Very good. Very good. For this, the general form is write down. General form of HP. General form of harmonic progression. General form of harmonic progression. 1 by A, comma 1 by A plus D, comma 1 by A plus 2D, comma so on is general form. Is the general form. 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, and so on is the general form. For this, how can we find the nth term? Nth term Tn is equal to formula is Tn is equal to formula is 1 by A plus n minus 1. This formula is for AB. Tn is equal to A plus. But for 1 by Tn is nothing but it is HP. So in HP, the value of Tn is equal to the value of Tn is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1. Write down these two and give me S. Okay, now write down one problem on this one. Right now, find the 15th term. Find the 15th term in the following series. In the following series. Find the 15th term. Find the 15th term in the following series. Find the 15th term in the following series. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, comma, 1 by 7, comma, 1 by 10, comma, 1 by 13, comma, so on. One by 46, right answer from H1. Okay, here A is equal to 4, D is equal to 3. So Tn is equal to 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. And n is equal to 15. So 1 by A means 4 plus 15 minus 1, D is 3. So 1 by 14 is 42, 4 plus 42. Why? Because 15 minus 1, 14, 43 is 42, 42 plus 4. So the answer is 1 by 46. The answer is 1 by 46 answer from Aishwarya and Yashwant. Very good, this is the answer. Next one. In HP, 4 by 3, comma, 3 by 2, comma, 3 by 2, comma, 12 by 7, so on. So on. Find fourth term. Find fourth term. Find fourth term. In HP, 4 by 3, comma, in HP, 4 by 3, comma, 3 by 2, comma, 12 by 7, so on. Find fourth term. Find fourth term. So first of all, we have to convert this into AP, and after converting the AP, you can write down the answer reverse. That is the process. So then it becomes AP means reverse 3 by 4, comma, 2 by 3, comma, reverse 7 by 12, so on, are in AP. Are in AP. Here A is equal to 3 by 4. D is equal to second 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. The value is LCM 3 into 4. 4 into 8, 8 minus 9. The value is minus 1 by 12. So first of all, whenever in a given HP, we can do the problem converting into AP and do the problem. Finally, reverse is the answer. Finally, reverse is the answer. This is the method. Well, do. So A is equal to 4 by 3, 3 by 4. 3 by 2 and so on. Option 2, H1, the 2 is the right, wrong answer. I hope. 1 minute. Right answer from H2, very good. 1 by 12. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A means 3 by 4 plus 4 from 4 minus 1 into minus 1 by 12. This is equal to 3 by 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1 by 12. 3 ones, 3 fours. This is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 minus 1 is, so 3 1 3 fours, minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So the answer is 2 by 4, nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, in HP it is reverse. Reverse means 2 is answer. 1 by 2 reverse. 1 by 2 reverse. So that's why the answer 12 by 2 is the wrong answer. Aishwarya. The answer is HP2 is the right answer. Do this method. Aishwarya, your answer wrong. Please check. First convert into AP. HP convert into AP. Finally, write down the answer reverse. For AP reverse is the answer. That is 2 is the right answer. If completed, please give me yes. Right. Find end term. Find end term in the following series. Find the nth term in the following series. Find the nth term in the following series. In the following series, 1 by 5, comma 1 by 8, comma 1 by 11, so on. 1 by 5, 1 by 20, so on. Options here. Option A, 1 by 4 and plus 2. Option B, 1 by 5 and plus 6. Option C, 1 by 3 and plus 2. Option D, 1 by 4 and plus 2. Find the nth term in the following series. Find the nth term in the following series. Nth term in the following series. 1 by 5, comma 1 by 8, comma 1 by 11, so on. Option A, 1 by 4 and plus 2. Option B, 1 by 5 and plus 6. Option C, 1 by 3 and plus 2. Option D, 1 by 4 and plus 3. Option C is the right answer from Ashwant. Sorry, Saidish, Ashwant, Aishwarya also, I hope. One by 3 and plus 2. Very good answer from Aishwarya. Now see here. So A is equal to 5, D is equal to 8 minus 3. So Tn is equal to the formula is 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. This is equal to 1 by A means 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. This is equal to 1 by 5 plus 3n minus 3. This is equal to 3n plus 2. 3n, 5 minus 3, 2. So the answer is 1 by 3n plus 2. 1 by 3n plus 2 is the answer. 1 by 3n plus 2 is the answer. 1 by 3n plus 2. So whenever the video is going wind up, our class is over. Actually, we are already coming to end. Last 2 problems only. Okay. Now see here, next problem. In an HP, in an HP, Fourth term is equal to 1 by 9. Fourth term is equal to 1 by 9 and 13th term is equal to 1 by 27. 13th term is equal to 1 by 27. Find 7th term. Find 7th term. So the question is, in an HP, fourth term is equal to 1 by 9, fourth term is equal to 1 by 9, and the 13th term is equal to 1 by 27. Find seventh term. Find seventh term. So how can I write down means fourth term is nothing but 1 by a plus 3d. 1 by a plus 3d is equal to 1 by 9 implies a plus 3d is equal to 9. This is first equation. 13th term means 1 by a plus 12d is equal to 1 by 27 implies a plus 12d is equal to 27. Second equation. Solve these two. So fourth term is 1 by a plus 3d. 12th term is 1, 13th is 1 by a, 20. Solving these two, a cancel, minus. So 12 minus 3 minus 9d is equal to 27 minus 9, 18 minus 18. So d is equal to plus 2. From 1, therefore from 1, a plus 3 into 6 is equal to d means 2, 3 into 6. So a is equal to 3. So we know the values of d and a. D is equal to 1, a is equal to 3. T6 and T7. T7 is equal to 1 by a plus 6d. This is the form. T7 is equal to 7th term is equal to 1 by a plus 6d. 1 by a plus 6d. This is the answer. 1 by a means 3 plus d means 2. 6 into 2. So the answer is 1 by 3 into 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 15. So the answer is 1 by 15 is the answer. 1 by 15 is the right answer. 1 by 15 is the right answer. So right answer from Aishwarya. Very good, very good. This is the method. Last one. Next one. If 4 HMs lies between, if 4 HMs hormone lies between, if 4 HMs lies between 1 by 12 and 1 by 12 and 1 by 12 and 1 by 42, 1 by 42, then find the third term. Then find 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 third term. So the meaning is see here. So 4 HMs means 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, 1 by a plus 3d, 1 by a plus 4d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 by a plus 5. These are the 4 HMs. 1, 2, 3, 4. In between 1 by a and 1 by a, there are totally 6 terms. Between the 5 terms, 4 terms, in between 4 terms, there are total 6 terms. So the first term is 1 by a is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by a is equal to 1 by 12. Means a is equal to 12. Next one, 1 by a plus 5d. The last term, that is equal to 1 by 40. Means a plus 5d is equal to 40. Already know a is equal to 12. 12 plus 5d. 5d is equal to 42. So 12 said that 5d is equal to 30. D is equal to 6. I know the values of a is equal to 12 and d is equal to 6. So now what is the question? What is the question? Find the third term. What is the third term formula? T3 is equal to 1 by a plus 2d. This is the formula. T3 is equal to 1 by a plus 2d. 1 by a plus 2d. Therefore, the answer is 1 by a means 12 plus 2 into 6. 1 by 24 is the answer. 1 by 24 is the answer. This is the method of doing that. So in between these two, 4 HMs are there. 4 harmonic means that is 1 by A. Total is 6 terms. The series is 1 by A, 1 by A, and so on. First and last was given. 1 by A is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by A plus 5D is equal to 1 by 40. We are finding the values of A and D. Substituting T3, third term is 1 by A plus 2D. 1 by A plus 2D. Last one. Write down, please write down where the only 2 minutes is the last one. You can write down the from video. I'm rubbing here. I'm rubbing here. You can write down from a video. Last question, see here. This is important actually. Just formula. For 2 positive integers, for 2 positive integers, AM is 12, AM is 12, and HM is 3, and HM is 3. HM is 3. Find GM. Find GM. For 2 positive integers, AM is 12 and HM is 3. Find GM. So what the formula is for GM is equal to, the formula is square root of AM into HM over. This is the formula. GM is equal to the formula, very important formula, very important one. For GM is equal to the square root of AM into HM. AM is 12, HM is 3. 12 into 3, 36. So the answer is 6 is the answer. The answer is 6 is the answer. This is the last one. This last question. With this 4 questions is what? This is very important formula. AM is GM is equal to the formula square root of AM into GM. AM into HM. With this, today's class is over and this topic is also over. Tomorrow you can see a new fresh topic. Thank you, Nish. For 2 positive integers, AM is 12 and HM is 3. Find GM. Find GM. Yashwant, whenever the institute is open, we can go for the GS class only. So most probably August 15th, institutes will be open. August 15th will be institutes open. So whenever the institutes is open, we can go for the GS class directly. But because already I am closing pure maths, reasoning, arithmetic, 100 marks is over. So remaining 100, you can go from the GS. Okay. So for essay, whenever the notification comes, you will definitely 4 months time will be there. Don't worry.